Hey, what's up guys, this is Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Evolution X ROM in OnePlus 7. So before proceed, if you haven't subscribe us and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. Now if you done that, let's get started. Now before proceed, if you haven't watched our video about best Magisk model of 2020, then you can watch that video from the link in the description. Now make sure to check out our other OnePlus 7 videos, and now let's get started. Right? Now first of all, you have to go to link in the description and download all these files. Once you have downloaded all this file, now first of all you have to install the ADB driver on your PC. I have already installed ADB driver, so I'm not going to install it again. So once you have installed the ADB driver on your PC, then I also recommend you to just download this platform tools and extract it on your computer. Now once you have this platform tools folder, here you will have all these files. Now here you have to copy this TWRP image. You can also download this TWRP image from the link in the description. So just simply copy this file and paste this TWRP image in platform tools folder. If you are unable to see this .img extension at the end, then you can go to view, then go to file name extension and enable this box. This is just for reference, so make sure that there is .img extension at the end. Now go to address bar and type cmd to open command prompt in the same platform tools folder. And now once you've done that, now go to your mobile and shut down your mobile, then press volume down, volume up and power button together to boot your device in fast boot mode. So once your device is in the fast boot mode, you have to connect your device with your PC by using USB cable and leave your device connected to your PC. Now before proceed, make sure that you already have the backup of all your important data, because in this process you will gonna lose all your data. Now go to command prompt and type fastboot space devices. If you get some random string followed by fastboot, it means your device is connected in fastboot mode successfully. If you are not getting this output, it means you may have some driver related issues or Windows operating system related issues. So you can try to fix that by installing driver or updating driver or something like that. Then you have to type fastboot space OEM space device -info. Now here you can see that my device bootloader is already unlocked. If your device bootloader is not unlocked, you can unlock your device by typing fastboot space OEM space unlock. This command will unlock the bootloader of your device. So just type fastboot space OEM space unlock and it will unlock the bootloader of your device. And make sure you already have the backup of all your important data, because this command will gonna wipe all your internal storage. So once you have done that, again boot your device in fastboot mode and connect your device in fastboot mode. So once you have unlocked the bootloader of your device, next you have to boot your device in TWRP recovery. And to boot your device in TWRP recovery, you have to type fastboot space boot space twrp.img. Once you have typed this command will boot your device into TWRP recovery. This command will not install TWRP recovery in your device. This command will just boot your device into TWRP recovery. So wait for a few seconds and your device will be booted in TWRP recovery. So once your device is in the TWRP recovery, you have to swipe this button from left to right to allow for the modification. So once you have done that, now go to wipe, then go to format data, and now here you have to type yes, YES, and this will wipe everything from your mobile, including your internal storage and contacts and everything. So sorry for this bloody video. I haven't noticed that my camera was in autofocus mode. Sorry for that. So you just have to go to format data and wipe everything from your device. So once you have done that, now leave your device connected to your PC. Now here you have to paste some files in your internal storage of your mobile. Now while connected your device to your PC, you can access the internal storage of your mobile. Now here you have to paste some files. So here you have to paste the ROM file, which Evolution X ROM file. Then you have to copy images and TWRP. You have to copy all these three files in internal storage of your mobile. This may take some time, so wait until it's done. So once you have copied all these files, now again go to your mobile. Now first of all you have to install the ROM. So just go to install, then select Evolution X file and swipe this button left to right to flash it. So once you have successfully installed the ROM, you no need to flash the GFs. GFs is already included in this ROM. So once it's done, do not reboot your mobile. Now just go to home menu of TWRP recovery, then again go to install. Now select twrp.zip file and install it. So once TWRP recovery is installed, then go to wipe, then just swipe this button left to right to do a factory reset, and that's it. Now again go back to home menu of TWRP recovery. Now again go to wipe, then go to format data and type yes. Now make sure after installing TWRP recovery you have to do all these two things. So once you have done that, now go to reboot, then go to reboot recovery. It will boot your device again into TWRP recovery. Now again allow swipe for the modification, then this is completely optional. You can go to install, then select your Magisk. If you just want to root your device, then you can flash this Magisk file. Otherwise, you can also skip this Magisk. So once Magisk Manager is installed, now you can finally reboot your device. Now wait for 3 to 5 minutes until your device is rebooted successfully. Now here you can see that I have set up all the initial things. Apart from that, this is the first look of this ROM. Here you can see the notification panel and gesture and everything. This ROM comes with the Pixel launcher. Here you will get a Google Cards, and this ROM doesn't have any bloatware apps in it. Apart from that, there is option for some wallpapers. You will have some awesome wallpaper with this ROM itself. And if you talk about settings menu, here you will get all the basic options like network, security, battery, display, sound, storage, privacy, location, and lots of other things. Let me talk about few major things. Like here under the display option, here you will get options to customize your icons. There is dark theme option is also available for this ROM. Now this is very strange that this ROM doesn't have any option for the face unlock. Here you can see that under the security tab, here there is no option for the face unlock. Even sometimes fingerprint is also not working, but there is a patch or there is a fix available for that. If you just want to fix the fingerprint issue, you can go to link in the description and check out our website. There is a fix available for that. Apart from that, if you want to talk about this OnePlus settings menu, here you will get the FPS overlay, high brightness mode, DC dimming, and panel mode, and there are some other options available. Now let's talk about the evolver option of this ROM. This is the beauty of this ROM, and this is the thing which I love about this ROM. This ROM pretty much comes with the stock Android, and here in this the evolver option you will get all the customization. You will get customization related to theme, status bar, notification, gesture, power menu, lock screen, navigation, and animation. Even you will get some controls related to gaming mode and others. And this is the beauty of this ROM. That's why I love this ROM. The only thing which I want in this ROM is the face unlock option. Apart from that, everything is working. Now here you can see that this is the Evolution X ROM Android 10, and which is running on OnePlus 7. And thanks to developer to create this ROM for all the OnePlus user, and thank you so much for that. And guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. This is the page sign out. Meet you soon in next video.